Hello.
Hey guys, good morning everyone.
Yeah, hi, good morning. Yeah, I see this classes live streaming in YouTube. So all the classes will be live streamed in YouTube?
Yeah, all the free classes will be live streaming. The
Okay,
five
free
free
matlab
classes.
the first five classes.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, got it.
Cool. So guys, if anyone has any doubts, so today is the third preview class. So if someone is joining it for the first time, any doubts, you guys can go ahead. Meanwhile, other people are joining it.
Sir,
Yeah,
I have
I
one
missed
doubt.
the Power BI classes. So when will get the license?
Okay. So Power BI classes license, once you will get the credentials created, so then you can go ahead and activate your Power BI license.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and if you want to attend the classes live, so then you can attend with the next batch. So in that case, Power BI will be the last module for you.
So no. Okay, I'll check with Satish.
Yeah, Irfan, you were getting unmuted.
Sorry, there was some background noise, so I muted myself.
Okay, okay. So yeah, Sri, what about you?
Sir, I just want to check with you. Like Power Platform and Power BI, uh, which was like what they say, like analytics, right? Power BI analytics. So
Yeah.
among these two, which has a better opportunities now in the market? So because I'm undecided right now as to whether to take the Power BI with the Fabric course or Power Platform. So that is why I want to check with you directly.
Okay, so what is your background name, first of all?
My name is Nagesh. My background is marketing and sales.
Marketing and sales, right?
Yeah, I have around like 7 years of experience in marketing and sales, and that is why I'm like keen on shifting into analytics. And in
Yeah,
analytics,
so if you want to, again, like both are kind of basically it depends on your interest also, Nagesh.
mm,
Like if you want to go into Power BI, full stack Power BI, so then you have to learn about Power BI, SQL, right? And the cloud. So all those things you have to learn. But if you have to go into Power Platform, so this is more like low code, no code, where you will be able to think the problem and then you have to implement. So implementation wise, you don't have to write much code around that. Okay. So, and as far as I know, right, in the current market for Power Platform, it is the job market is, I would say, huge as compared to Power BI only because in Power Platform, you are addressing the bigger problem. You're not only addressing the analytics things, you are addressing the analytics as well as business applications, as well as automation, right? So
mhm.
there, like you will be getting more opportunities.
Oh, okay. So Power
And
Platform.
and recently, like I was just having a word with one of my evening batch student, like yesterday night itself. So he was having around 5 years of experience, okay? And he was into this, support, right? Operation support, something like that, operations.
Mhm,
So he was into a telecom organization and he got laid off, okay? And
mhm.
he was having around, I guess, 7, 8 LPA there. So now, luckily, he was learning Power Platform from us, and now he got placed with almost, I guess, 18 LPA. even after getting laid off, he switched the what to say domain, and now he is a Power Platform developer. And still
Okay.
there are a few more offers in the pipeline.
Oh,
So that I guess justifies your answer, the opportunities which are there in the market.
oh, that's good. So thanks for the explanation. And someone with 15, 16 LPA, they can, with domain switch, they can also kind of get
Yeah, yeah.
a.
Like if you have all, if you're already into 15, 16, so then like I have seen people getting 30, 35 also with this Power Platform, but easily you can get 30, 40% hike. I don't feel any issue there.
That sounds good, sir. And the advantages here, I don't think there will be much of a coding when compared with the Power BI
No, 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 no,
Fabric.
no, no. You don't have to worry about coding or something. Even you don't have to worry about expressions also. I will let you guys know how to basically have that problem solving attitude, right? So
Mhm.
basically, here the main thing is you have to understand the process, like
Mhm.
how you will be solving the problem, and then I will be telling you how you will approach, like how you will implement it end to end.
Okay, okay, that'll be great. So, thanks a lot for answering that question.
Thank you,
Then
Nagesh.
I think I've made my decision. I'll continue with the Power Platform itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even you can go ahead and search on Naukri.com also. What are the various job prospects? And like, anyways, like go through the, like, if you want to go through the Power BI sessions also, you
Mhm.
can go through those sessions also. Like, free preview sessions will be there, right? And
Mhm.
check like whatever is suiting you more, you can do that, right? There is no compulsion. Like it is individual choice also, right? Sometimes people will like Power BI a lot. Sometimes people will like Power Platform a lot. But
Mhm.
as per current scenario, Power Platform has edge, the Power BI. If you have asked about data engineering or data science, so that is different thing altogether. But you are discussing about Power BI and Power Platform, right?
Yeah. See,
Yeah.
basically, I don't want to get confused again because this has taken a lot of time for me to think about changing
Yeah,
the
yeah.
domain and things like
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. So
And I get
you
it.
can go ahead if your main idea is to go for low code, no code, and you want to switch with better job opportunities currently in the market, you can go ahead with Power Platform. Bottom line is that.
That's all I want to know. So.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't matter like whether Power BI is better or things like that, but it's just that given the current scenario where like a lot of layoffs are happening even in tech field,
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
I kind of you are shrouded in doubt like what to choose. So that is
Yes, yes,
why.
correct, correct. Yeah, because for Power Platform, there are, I would say, resource crunch in the market right now. So
That,
there are a lot of people who knows might be Power BI only or Canvas apps only. So there are almost, I would say, very less people in the market who knows end to end. And the most important part is the integrations, like how you will be integrating one product in the other.
okay, okay, yeah, I
Yeah.
think even AWS is doing that, right? Like providing websites and sort of Google, sorry, all the apps that is required, they are providing in out of the box in the cloud. So I believe Azure is also in the same place when it comes to providing apps on the cloud. So
Yeah,
people can.
Azure and AWS, these are cloud providers, right? So there you will be hosting your apps and might be like, as you are mentioning, I'm not sure about that. I have not seen. So might be they have added some capabilities there to generate apps.
Yeah, yeah, it's there for a very long time, sir, in AWS.
Yeah. Yes, yes,
So
that's like I'm not expert on AWS. I've never seen that.
no problem,
So
no
might be,
problem.
yeah.
Yeah, I think now the adoption of Microsoft Power Platform, how do you feel the adoption in Indian market, sir?
Adoption, Nagesh, like I think adoption is very huge. So that's why we have dedicated course, right? And that's why all of you are here because job opportunities are there and recruiters are looking for that, right?
Hmm.
So in low code, no code terms, like it seems you have not attended the first session. Even low code, no code market is growing at 25% CAGR every year. Okay. And I'm not saying like in low code, no code only Power Platform is there. In low code, no code, there are other tools also like Salesforce is there, OutSystem is there, Pega is there, right? But this tool, like Power Platform, it has, I would say, it is the industry leader and it is widely accepted in the industry.
So,
Okay.
like when we say industry leader, something like Gartner report on power, like low code, no code platforms, so or okay,
Yeah,
just
you
because
can
the
you can
market is.
research about that, and I guess just do a Google search. So
Hmm.
why I'm saying it is getting widely accepted in the industry, like based on my experience, because I got interviewed with various product-based organization and I worked with various product-based clients also. Okay, like I worked with PepsiCo, NetWest, right? So all these are tech giants. So if they are using it, so that means they are able to reap the fruit out of it. So I am working from almost now 6 years into this stuff. So I'm working on this PowerApps when it was make.preview.powerapps.com. So when Microsoft was launching it. So
Hmm.
I'm working since then. So I have
Hmm.
seen the evolution of PowerApps. So it is widely accepted, I would say.
Good, good. Sure,
Yeah.
sir. I think that's all I need to know for today.
And I want to add one more thing, Indra, here. So there is a statement from CEO of Microsoft, CEO Satya Nadella. Actually, I
Okay.
saw in one of the YouTube video, they are predicting in next 3 years, from the this service company is going to build 3.5 billion apps by using low code, no code.
Oh,
This
Yeah.
is the real game changer of the Power Platform tools.
that's nice. But how is the costing side, sir? So when you compare to, uh, you know, uh, creating apps like a traditionally and creating it on Microsoft Power Platform, how is the cost comparison?
Costing is like again, like cost comparison, one is license cost, right? And another cost that you will be doing for any project, you will be doing CVA, right? CVA is nothing but cost benefit analysis, right? So suppose you are having operation team that is going ahead into Excel sheet, putting in some information really there, right? And suppose you are having a team of 10 people or 15 people, and you
Mhm.
want to automate that stuff and streamline that business process using Power Platform. So
Hmm.
then you will be able to save the man hours of those 15 people, right? And you will be able to save that cost, right? So
Definitely.
similarly, so what will happen like when you will implement those kind of solution with the help of our platform, obviously you will be needing licenses, right? So for licenses, it is nominal cost only. For Power Apps, it is $20. The premium license for Power Platform, again, it is $20, the premium license. So license depends on the product that you're using in the Power Platform. So every product has separate licensing model. Like if you go to Netflix or Hotstar, right? So you will be having different licensing model there.
Yeah.
So you will be getting some add-on feature in premium license. You will be getting some basic feature in basic plan. So all those things are there. We will be discussing it in the course.
Okay. Okay. So one final question. So when you're saying Power Platform, so basically the product is, sorry, the app is built and shipped on the cloud itself, right? The company can build, like first
Yeah.
they will buy a license from Microsoft Power Plat,
Mm-hmm.
like that license they will buy, and on top of
Mm-hmm.
it they'll get the Google, sorry, the cloud space. In the cloud, we create the apps, and that apps are used by the companies, right, for their own consumption. Say for
Yeah,
example, CRM.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. So
And
basically, Nagesh, like in Power Platform, there are five products. Okay.
hmm,
In Power BI Desktop, you will be developing on your desktop and then hosting it in cloud using Power BI service.
hmm,
Power Apps, Power Automate Cloud Flows, and
oh,
Power Pages. These are all cloud services. And you have again desktop automation where you will be doing the automations in desktop. So basically, sharing part will be done in cloud
hmm,
in every
hmm,
product, but there are some product which caters a desktop thing also.
hmm, hmm. Okay. So basically, within organization, they can create and they can build websites. They can, put
Yeah,
it on the cloud. They can consume it, right? Okay. Fine.
correct.
Fine. Got it.
So
Got
I
it.
would request you to go ahead and watch the first session. So
Sure.
that will clear most of your doubt what Power Platform is and what where we will be helping you to become a proficient Power Platform developer.
Sure. I will. So. Thanks a lot.
Thanks. Cool. Anyone else?
Yes, sir. I have one question that as we are seeing that AI overtaking some job like graphic designing or customer support or content writer, so it will affect this also. I mean, in future, I mean, or it is separated from.
Yeah, Irfan, like I don't feel that so because here, like you are not doing the redundant stuff like writing HTML, CSS or creating designs, right? So it is already automated stuff where you are cutting out the what to say effort and you are minimizing the man hours and you are creating apps in no time, I would say. So it is already automated thing. You don't have to do simple you don't have to spend a lot of time on simple things. So you just have to customize and app is ready for you. I'm not saying it in near future for now, Irfan, for
Okay.
at least 4 or 5 years. Because it is already doing that for you, right? Because if you're able to recall yesterday's class, so you we have created a template with the help of Copilot, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay, anyone else, guys? Then we will get started.
Yes, I have one small question. So,
Yeah.
do we need to learn any cloud platform like Azure even after completing this Power Platform course? Maybe in future to stay updated with the market. So, is cloud platform required for Power Platform developers?
No, Vignesh, like, and again, it totally depends on your interest also. But if you want to go ahead and add more skill set after learning Power Platform, so what my suggestion will be go ahead and learn Dynamics. Okay.
Okay.
So once you are done with that, then go ahead and learn cloud also. Like it is the more skills you will require, the more versatile developer you will become, right? So it is fine. Like if you have interest in cloud, you can go ahead and learn that.
Okay, sir. Well, yeah, thank you.
So what do you mean is like we need to progress in case we want to like get ahead is by adding some more skills into the the cloud skills, right?
No, no. His question was like after going for Power Platform, if he want to go ahead and add more skills. So that is your own choice, right? You have to like if you want to go ahead and add more skills to your CV, you can go ahead and learn that.
Yeah, I think I also saw that like solution architect is what like up the max level that people are doing.
Yeah, because the product itself is 5 years old.
Yeah.
Power BI is launched long back, but Power Apps, Power Automate, these are all 5, 6 years old, and the people with 5, 6 years of experience they can reach up to solution architect.
Okay. Okay.
Cool. Yeah, guys. Anyone else? Can we get started then?
Yeah, so how many classes are going to be for Power Automate, Power Apps, and Power Pages?
There will be total, I would say, 70 to 75 classes for content. Okay. And there will be few
Okay.
classes which will be taken by our team for placement cell. And I will be taking classes on frequently asked interview questions also. But here, like, I want to give you other perspective. Okay. So I think we should not ask about classes count. We should ask about like whether we are covering all the topics or not. So that I want to assure you, like not even a single topic will be skipped. So we will be covering everything from scratch to
Okay.
advanced level.
Yeah, usually the Power BI is the main content, or along with that, Power Automate and Power Apps also. It's only because already I'm a member of KSR Data Vision. So on that
Yeah.
time, Power Apps, Power Automate, I got a little bit means just overview of those. But Power BI, I got very detailed descriptions in the classes. So that's why I'm
Yeah. So you
asking how
joined which
much.
batch, Lalita? You joined my batch.
No, I joined Uma batch.
I'm not sure about the instructor that you're talking about. But
Okay,
for
No,
it's a
my
long
just
back,
batch,
hold
2
on.
years
I'll tell
back.
you. So, Lalita, you joined in the Uma's batch. It's a complete full stack Power BI. In that Power
Yes.
BI itself, you will have the 50 plus classes. Okay.
Okay.
So this
Yeah.
Power Platform is completely focusing on the Power Apps, Power Automate, and like Power Virtual Agents and somewhat Copilot. Am I correct, Indra?
yeah. So basically, it will be end-to-end Power Platform. So you will be getting around 15 sessions on Power BI, 15 or
Okay.
16 on Canvas apps, then again 15, 16 on model-driven apps, and 6 to 7 sessions on Power Pages, then
Okay.
around 7 sessions on Power Automate Cloud, five
Okay.
sessions on Power Automate Desktop, where we are covering end-to-end. And for Copilot, you are getting 5 sessions. Then some sessions on Power Platform Admin Center, where we will see licensing part, environment management part, and then frequently asked interview questions. So everything will be covered end to end.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So similarly, how we got the project wise every means, for example, assignments, everything will get right
Yeah, you
in
will
the
get a
similar
lot
way.
of assignments. So I'm expecting that you will complete that. Not assignment, you will be getting project. Every class is an assignment, guys. You have to go ahead and implement it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. So, okay, guys, let's get started. And then I will take doubt sessions in the end so that we can make some progress. Cool. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Indra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Indra.
So, guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. So, this is the third preview session of your Power Platform course, and we have started with Power Apps module. And in Power Apps, specifically, we have started with Canvas apps. So, what we will be discussing today is we will be starting our project today. So we will be discussing first thing first, what will be the problem statement that we will be implementing, and then we will be designing the data design for that. Okay. So can someone quickly tell me, like, whenever you will start a project, what are the various stages in a project life cycle?
Requirement gathering,
Requirement gathering.
analyzing the
Requirement gathering.
problem, analyzing the problem.
Yes, analyzing the problem and design, right? So now, guys, no one is instructor, no one is, I would say, student here. We all are a team. So I want all of you to go ahead, give me suggestions in the data design. Okay, we will implement the project like a team, and then we will see how it will be implemented. But before that, I want to introduce you to the problem statement that we will be implementing. Okay. So I hope most of you are working professionals, right?
Yeah.
So, guys, in your organizations, you must have seen websites or apps to register claims and get it approved. Do you have those things where you will go ahead and submit your claims, or you will go ahead and submit your certification related claims and or broadband expenses or any other business trip expenses?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have.
You have that thing, right? So we will go ahead and we will streamline that process by creating an app for the people so that they can go ahead, they can add the things in the app and they will be able to use it from there. Okay. So now let me introduce you to the problem statement. I would say claims app. You can suggest me some other name also that is coming to your mind. So here I will be going ahead, and what you will be able to do from your app, you will be able to submit the claim, able to view, submitted claim, right? So for this app, guys, how many roles you will be having? There will be one role who will be users, right? There will be one role who will approve your expenses, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So users will be able to submit, view submitted, edit, right? Edit submitted claims. And what else you can do?
We can upload the documents.
Yeah, so that will be in the submission itself, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So might we, if they want to filter and see specific claims, they can do that, right? So for approvers, they will approve the claim, right? And there will be many functionalities that we will be implementing, but these are the overall operations that they will be doing with the system, right?
Yes.
So guys, in this case, like what are the things that you require to implement this?
We required user form where user with the
Yes, very
detail.
good. So first thing first, you will be requiring a front end, right? Front end will be what? Where these two users will be interacting with your app, right? And they will be submitting the stuff, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So now, what else is required as per you? Sorry, come again.
We need a data set.
Backend.
Yep. Yeah. So whatever people are submitting here, so it should be stored somewhere, right? So it will be stored in some database, right? So it will be the backend of your app. So now you know you will be needing this thing and this thing, right? So now we have to identify with the help of our platform, like what can be our ideal choice for front end and what can be our ideal choice for backend. So now we have to finalize that thing, right? So as I told you, like we are in Canvas apps. So in front end, we will be creating a Canvas app that people will be interacting with. And in backend, what are the various options that you have, guys?
SharePoint.
You have
SharePoint,
SharePoint,
OneDrive, Dataverse.
OneDrive, you
Data.
have Dataverse,
Dataverse.
you have SQL, so on, right? So what I will choose for this project, I will choose a SharePoint. Why SharePoint with Canvas app? Because PowerApps per developer plan. So this is basically a type of license. It comes with E5 also. Okay, you know Microsoft E5 licensing?
No, sir.
You don't know, right? No worries. I will tell you what is Microsoft E5 licensing. So there is a licensing model by Microsoft which is called as E5 licensing. So in that E5 license, Power Apps per dev plan will come. So in that E5 license, you will have SharePoint also. So there will be some organization in the real world who will be creating Power Apps on the SharePoint. Okay, because in per dev, so basically for let me tell you first thing first, like what are the different type of licensing plans for Power Apps. So for Power Apps, there are two licenses, guys. One is per app and another one is premium license. So per app is available with A5, E5 for premium. You have to pay some extra dollar amount that is $20 per user. Okay. So in premium, what will happen? Like it is exactly same as any licensing model that you see for your OTT also. Like if you're using your Disney Plus Hotstar, right? So you will be having mobile plan. Then you will be having other plan, right? A premium plan where you will be able to see 4K videos, 4 screens, right? So similarly here in per app, you will not be able to use all the connectors. Okay. So in premium, you will be able to use all the connectors. So Dataverse is a premium connector. So if you want to create an app on top of Dataverse, so you should have a premium license. So what people are doing in real world, they already have E5 license. So they are creating apps like this also sometime. So that's why to cater that and make you guys familiarize like how SharePoint work with Power Apps, we have this. I have planned this thing like that way. Getting it?
So, yeah, Indra, one question. So, per app
Yeah.
means per user, only one user can connect, or is there any limitation on the users for
Licensing
per app
is
or premium?
always user wise.
Mm,
If you take premium license for every user, you have to pay $20.
okay.
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 Like if you have
So, per app
huge
is
number of users, sorry, if you have huge number of users, suppose 1,000 employees in your organization, for them you want the license. So then you can go ahead, you can get in touch with the Microsoft, so then they can create something called as capacity license for you. So that in that you will get some discount. Okay.
okay. So, my question is, there is a development will be going on, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you share the link to the users, right? So
Yeah.
that sharing the link to the users is what it comes for the license, or is like number of developers that we need to consider.
Even developers as well as user, they should have a valid license.
Okay.
Both should have a license.
Okay. When you share the link, is there any limit to that one, or
No limit. Only prerequisite is suppose you are developing the app and sharing the link with me, I should have a valid license, otherwise I will not be able to access that. Okay,
okay? Thank you.
cool. So shifting back to the problem statement, guys. So clear what will be the front end and what will be the back end of our app.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to see like in the back end what will be the table and what will be the columns there, right? Basically, we have to figure out the schema design of your backend table, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, let us go ahead and see that. Let me open the Excel file, and in Excel file, I will write everything. Create a blank workbook. Okay. So guys, first thing first, we will be having a table where we will be storing everything for claims, right? So let us make this as, I would say, claim details. So this can be a table name. Okay. Now tell me, guys, what should be the columns as per you? Just try to visualize the problem, guys. You are submitting the claim, and now I have to store it in the database, right? So, what are the information that I need in the database to store your claim?
The first thing is
Name,
the
ID
claim ID.
numbers.
First thing first is claim ID, right?
Claim ID, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What
Name
else?
of employee name.
Let's figure out the IDs part first. Employee ID first thing, right? Then employee name.
Yes, sir.
yeah
Employee name.
What else?
Employee department.
department.
Department. Very good.
Yeah.
What else?
Business email.
Start date,
Email ID,
joining
phone
date.
number.
Sorry, phone number,
Phone.
contact number.
Yeah, contact and email.
Very good. Contact, email. What else?
Address.
Address in claim. Is it
Oh,
really required?
yeah, not, yeah.
Not really. We can mention the claim date or
Claim date, yeah.
Client,
uh, claim date.
client date. This is what you're saying.
Not client, claim date.
Claim date.
Claimed it.
Okay, claim date. Okay.
Expense start date, expense end date.
Yeah. Start date and end date of the expense. Very good. What else?
And
Claim amount.
Very good. Very good.
Upload option.
Sorry.
Claim type.
Upload PDF or something document.
Right.
and
Come
document
again.
a document upload
Upload.
attachment.
Attachment. Okay. What else?
Approval approved by.
Approver, right? What else?
Claim status.
Status. Very good.
Business justification.
Very good. Business justification, right? Most important. What else?
Add button, add a new claim.
We are not discussing about the UI, right? We are discussing about the database. Like what will be the columns?
Okay.
Policy number.
Yeah, we can simply generalize it with the invoice number, right? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Think. Sorry.
Gender of the employee.
Okay, you're talking about gender. That's
Yeah.
fine. Then
Nominee.
in claims, actually nominee is required. I've never seen.
Okay.
Don't you feel designation is required? Or
Yes.
the band
Designation.
at which employee is currently? Because normally this thing, the claim limit depend on the designation also, right?
Yes.
Managers will have different perks, other people will have different perks.
Correct.
Yeah, true.
So let's have designation also. What else? So let me give it a color coding. So to let you guys know, this is the table name. No, not here.
A number of years after they have joined the organization. For that, you can give some value.
Sorry, come again. Number of,
Number of years have passed for that employee after joining the organization.
or you
Oh,
can have date of joining, and then you can calculate that, right?
yeah, date of joining.
Employee type, permanent or contract.
Very good.
A column where is we can specify for claim where for whom we are applying for. Like usually the employees have the option to apply for claim for parents as well.
So that will be there in this thing, right? Type of the claim, like whether it is for your health insurance or like, yeah, we will give here itself, like if you're applying it for your parents or something. I don't feel like another column is required. Because if you're not applying for parents, or like just try to think on bigger picture. Like suppose in this you have around 1 lakh claims submitted by the users. So not all those 1 lakh claims will be submitted by the users for parent, right? Might be 5,000 or 2,000, right? The probability is very less, isn't it? So for suppose let's take it on the higher side. People are submitting 10,000 claims out of those 1 lakh claims for parents. So then for 90,000, the column will be blank, right? Isn't it? So, so bank details and all, Ganesh, that will be having, right? The accounts team will be having the bank detail. So once we will give it to them, so they will automatically disperse it. You don't need to explicitly ask for bank details. I think we have covered the required stuff, right? Guys?
Yes.
So now we have to discuss the data type, right? Because schema means column name and the type of data that it will be storing. So what will be the data types for this? For claim ID, guys?
It's number.
It's number. So if I will ask you a question, how many of you know what is primary key?
It's uniquely identified zero in
Unique
a
key.
table.
Yes, primary key is an unique key
That uniquely identify each row in a table, and it does not contain null values.
and also duplicates.
Very good. So guys, we are 50 people in the class. So like if I talk about primary key for you guys, what it can be?
Name.
Name.
Employee ID, or claim ID.
Employee
Number.
ID,
It's a number.
student
Batch
ID.
ID. Student ID.
But you don't have student ID created yet, right?
Claim ID is a
Or
primary.
Claim
Claim
ID.
ID is primary.
employee ID. Employee ID.
No, forget about claim ID. I'm talking about 50 people that are there in the class. So
Batch
if I
ID.
want, sorry,
Batch ID.
batch ID, that is also not created yet, right?
Morning or evening batch.
Register number.
Our
Register
Gmail,
number.
our email ID, maybe it will be
Yeah,
mobile
your email ID can be the primary key. Or if I will say very
Phone
basic
number,
thing, your mobile number, right?
mobile number, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it? If I will go ahead and dial the mobile number of Ajay, only Ajay will answer that, right? It is uniquely identifying the stuff, right? So this is primary key, which will help you uniquely identify a row, right? And there are few constraints for primary key that you rightly mentioned. It does not contains a null value, and duplicates are not allowed. That basically uh, that contradicts with our first thing, right? So if you have to uniquely identify a row, so it is obvious that it should not have duplicate values. So in our case, guys, what will be the primary key in the claim details? It should be
Claim ID.
Claim ID.
Claim ID.
why not employee ID?
Employee ID actually.
No,
Because one employee
One
can
employee can
submit
submit
multiple
multiple
claims.
claims.
very good, guys. Everyone clear? Why not employee ID? Why come like claim ID?
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
Right? So this is your primary key. So what should be the data type for this?
Number.
Number.
Number. Or what you can do to make your data design future proof, you can simply make it auto number. So so the moment when people will submit the claim, it will automatically increment. Right?
Employee ID also only one member will have one employee ID, right? Then because
Okay, so suppose you are the employee and you are submitting 5 claims. So then how we will get to know like which claim?
correct.
Right?
Hmm.
So suppose I am your manager and you have submitted 5 claims. So you will ask me, Indra, please approve my claim, right? So then I will ask you next thing, what is the claim ID, right? So that I can claim. I can see 5 claims. isn't it? Cool. So far, good, guys. With me?
Yes, Indra.
Yes, Indra. Yes.
Very good. So now employee ID. Like, what should be the data type of this column?
It might be a single line texted or a number.
Or we can say text, right? Because in most of the organization, it will be
Combination of
sometime number, or sometime they have, suppose you are working for some organization ABC. So they will be having ABC1, ABC2, 3, 4 like that, right? So let's, for the what to say, generalized cases, let's keep it text. Right? So name, guys?
Text.
Text.
text. Yeah.
Text. Very good. Department?
Text.
It might choice.
Yeah. So guys, whenever you are designing your database, you have to keep one thing in mind. Just try to reduce, or try to reduce the power in front of the user, in the hand of user, to go ahead and write the free text. Because if you will give here the text, what will happen? User have full liberty to now write anything, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it? So suppose someone is from HR department, they will like this. Other people come, they will like this. HR department. Other will come, HR department, right? Someone else might come, HR department, right? So these are the different variations that you will get in your data, right? And this will do what? This will go ahead and affect your data sanity, isn't it?
Correct.
So we should go by choice or choices then.
Choices we can.
Option set.
Drop down we can
Option set.
Drop
create
down
drop down.
or choices.
Right. So basically, you have to reduce that thing. You have to reduce the power in between the hands of the user to basically write the free text. So what you can do, you can reduce that with the help of choice, right? Or option set,
Yes.
or giving options to user to select from. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So contact
Number.
number. Very
No,
good.
you can have hyphens also, right? In the contact.
Yeah, in contact, we will say like write the 10-digit number. We don't want the country code. That we can fetch from employee ID, right? Like from which this employee belongs, which location. Okay. Email,
Email or member.
Text.
text, right?
Yeah.
What else? Claim date,
Date.
Date.
date, date,
Dollar.
right? Amount,
Currency.
Currency.
Number. Number.
currency or number, whatever you feel is correct. Okay. Type,
Choice.
Choice.
Yes.
Choice.
Option set.
Choice also. Choice.
choice, right? Choice or options. Attachment,
Attachment.
sorry.
Attachment.
It's
Yeah, attachment of which should be of which type?
attachment.
Attachment type only.
Attachment type or file type, right?
Yes.
Approver,
Choice.
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 Status,
Choice.
Choice.
very good. Business justification,
Choice.
Free text.
Oh no, it's a text. Multi-line text.
Free text or
Multi-
text. Yeah.
we don't know single line, multi-line, right? Yet I have
Yeah.
not introduced you. So let it be generalized.
Text. Yeah.
Okay. Invoice number,
Number.
number, right? Or don't you feel it can be text?
Yeah.
Yes, sometimes it will be alphanumerical.
Yeah, it will be alphanumeric, right? So just try to think in broader perspective. Okay.
Gender.
Then gender,
Choice.
Choice.
choice, very good. Designation?
Choice.
Choice.
Choice. Date of joining?
Date.
Date.
Employee type?
Choice.
Choice. Now we have seen, guys, we have lot of choice columns, right? So now what is the next step? We have to define
Choices.
choices, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Department type. Department. So first thing first is department. Then you have type. So I will give it a meaningful name. I will make it as claim type, right? Because so that people are not getting confused. It should be. So let us identify now what will be the various department that we will be supporting. Tell me, guys. Department?
As you mentioned,
HR. HR,
Someone can be
finance.
from HR, someone can be from
admin.
Marketing.
IT, right?
Sales.
Finance.
Sales,
Operations.
operations,
Finance.
finance,
Marketing.
marketing. That's it,
Admin.
right? Admin. Okay.
Healthcare.
Sorry.
Healthcare.
Healthcare.
Yes. Department also.
Accounts.
So these department, healthcare, admin, these will be, I would say, the smallest department, right? So what we can do to make it relevant for all the departments, you can say other, right?
Okay.
Clear? Then claim type.
Claim type, medical.
Travel expense.
Internet.
First thing first, travel. Then broadband.
Broadband.
Then let's use the frequently raised claim that we raise in our day-to-day life. What else? Health.
Yes.
Yeah,
Health.
medical.
Yeah, that will be in health only, right?
Huh.
Let us give it mediclaim.
Mediclaim.
Medical. Huh.
Right? A more realistic name.
Yeah.
What else?
Accommodation if we travel for any business trip.
That's for travel.
That will come in travel only. That's fine.
Okay.
What else? Certification. Certification reimbursement you will get, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Again, like it is on you. Like when you will be implementing it on your own, if you want to have 15 departments, 20 claims, go ahead, add that. If you want to have 100 columns, go ahead, create that. Okay. So I have to optimize it because we have to cover it in the class, right? So now next thing is department is done. Claim type is done. Now you have approver. I'll come to the approver. Now you have status, right? So what will be the status of your claim?
Approved or rejected.
First thing first, it will be new,
New
right?
or open.
Waiting for
New
In
or
progress.
submitted, right?
Submitted, yeah.
Then after that,
In progress. In progress.
in progress
Pending.
Completed.
and
Waiting for
completed.
approval or pending.
That will be in progress, we will say.
Okay.
Okay, completed.
Or denied, we can also denied.
Rejected.
Yeah.
Completed or rejected.
That's what rejected.
Okay. Okay. Status is done. Next thing is gender.
Male, female, or
Gender. We will support male and female only.
yeah.
Okay. then designation. Designation. So designation can be
how we can say, like senior role or junior or
Manager.
Manager,
Manager,
project.
senior manager.
keep this thing also in mind. Might be in IT, you might have senior consultant, senior software engineer or something.
Yeah.
So you have to make it aligning with this thing also because we are creating for all the departments.
L1, L2, like that.
Right, very good. So you can give here L1. L1 might be for junior things, L2 for mid management, L3 for higher
Mid.
management, right? So to make it more realistic, you can give it as designation or band, right? Clear?
Yeah.
Now, next thing is, let me zoom it out a bit. Is it okay or it is very small?
Employee type.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, right? You're able to see it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
You're able to see. Yes.
That's fine. That's because I want to show everything in one view so that you are able to relate better. Then you have claim type already done. Approver, I need to wait. Status is done. Then gender is already done. Then you have designation done. Then employee type, right? So let me have employee type here. So employee type, guys, two types, right? Either C2H, contract,
Full-time contractor.
Permanent.
right?
Full time.
Or full time, FTE. Now, what is the last thing which is left? The approver, right? So for approver, guys, what we will do, how we will get the choice, we will go ahead and we will create a different table altogether for approver. On the basis of department, we will decide, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be my another table for approval. So I will go ahead, keep it as like this. So in approver, I will have only two columns for now, guys. I don't want other details for approver. I will say approver name and approver department that he or she is responsible to approve the claims for. Okay. So approver department, these are the departments, right? So if it is HR, let me make you guys approver. So HR mostly females are there, right? So let's make Vijay Lakshmi as the approver. So IT, for IT, it should go to suppose Naveen. Okay. For sales, who wants to be the sales representative? For sales, let's move it to Prasad. So let's change it to Prasad. For operations, let's change it to, let's make it to suppose Pratik. For finance, let's make Irfan. For marketing, suppose Indrajit. Then for other, let's give it to Ankush. Right? Now we are sorted, guys, about the data set.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cool. And guys, if you want, it to be very scalable, like you don't want to go ahead and edit the column if you want to add the new department. So then this also you can create different tables altogether. Like suppose you want to go ahead and you want to add one more department, you will add a row in the table and it will be added here. Okay.
So what is the best way, Indra? Like adding those values as choices or creating a new table and performing a lookup?
Yeah, so basically the best way, like if you have to share it with the client and if you don't want to go ahead and do the development effort for these minimal changes, give it to the client as a table in the
Okay.
front end, right? So they will click on add
Mm.
new, add a department, add new claim type, add a claim type, right? So when we will discuss about
Okay.
model driven app, so all these table can become configuration table there,
Mm.
right? The moment they will add status, it will get reflected, right? With the help of lookup.
Yes.
So guys, whatever you are discussing here, this is architecture stuff. Okay. So now your data design is ready, right?
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
Now let me rename it. I would say claim
Claim.
details data design. Now we have to implement it. So for implementing, you have to implement on SharePoint, right? Because we have identified the backend of our app will be SharePoint,
Point.
right? So guys, if I'll start implementing it now, I will not be able to complete it. So I want to go ahead and implement it tomorrow. So tomorrow, what we will do, we will set up a SharePoint site. We will go ahead and create the stuff that is on your screen. So I hope you enjoyed this exercise. So now tomorrow we will go ahead and implement the data design, and then we will proceed further from there. So now, whatever doubts you have, guys, in anything, you can go ahead.
So when will get access to the PowerApps in the
For PowerApps, like I guess this is the third class, fourth, fifth. You will be getting over the weekend.
Okay.
You have license already, Naveen? Basically, do you have the KSR credentials created already? No, right?
Yeah, it's been created for me. Yeah.
It's been created, right? So I will add you guys over the
Yes.
weekend.
Okay.
Yeah. Or in Monday's class, what I will do, I will have a dedicated 15-20 minutes and I will add you guys in front of yourselves only so that you are able to check also whether you are able to access or not. Okay.
I am not registered, so first of all, I should register.
Yeah. First of all, the people who are not enrolled, you have to enroll. You
Okay.
have to pay the amount. Then you will get your credentials for KSR. That will have the license tagged. So then I will add you guys in the Power Apps environment.
Okay. Yeah. Then I have to. Okay.
Indrajit, I have a question for this thing.
Yeah, Pratik, go ahead.
For example, like, this client we are preparing for this kind of app. So if they want to like add more data to it, so is it they will be dependent on the us or on the developers, or they can add their data by themselves again on this thing?
Pratik, you're talking about data or you're thinking about columns?
Thinking about columns as well as more data to the columns.
Again, the data part that will be added from the front end, right? Just try to recall that, what to say, the diagram that we have drawn, right? So there will be a front end where user will be interacting, back end will be the source where you will be storing the data. So you will be providing the front end to the user from where they will be interacting with your data. They will be adding it, they will be editing it. But if they want to add a new column in the table, so then developer have to add it. Okay.
Okay.
Indra, what is this Nintex flows? Is it comes under Power Automate?
Automation, it is automation.
Comes under Power Automate only?
No. Different kind of automation.
Okay.
Nintex automation.
But we can integrate that with the Power Automate, I mean Power Apps.
I have never done that, Lakshmi, and I'm not sure on that. Needs to check on that.
Okay, because yesterday I got one call for the entry, so they were asking for Nintex workflows.
Yeah, why I know Nintex? Because one of my reportees was working on that in one of the projects, so that's why I know.
Oh,
Otherwise, I don't know like what it is, how it works.
okay.
So from there, I heard about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Indra, thank you.
Anyone else?
So what is Nintex, by the way? Is it some other competitor to PowerApps?
Sorry, Naveen, come again.
No. What is someone was asking about the Nintex, right? So is it some kind of
No, that is different technology for automation. So might
okay,
be she
it's
had
not
got call, so she was saying like Nintex is in Power Automate or how it is.
okay.
Yeah.
So is it a competitor to Power Automate? I mean Power Platform?
Not to Power Platform, that is automation solution, Nintex workflows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Sam. I'm having a small doubt.
Yes,
So,
Vignesh.
so basically in this design, like we are using two tables, right? One is claim and approver. So how will we club this approver with that main table? Like approver here, we are in the main table, we are deciding it as a choice column. And by
Yeah.
the separate, we are having a second explicit table for approval. So how we'll be clubbing this table one with table two?
Yeah, so Vignesh, for that you have to wait, right? So
Okay.
we will be clubbing it with the help of PowerFX. So that's why I did this thing. Otherwise, like creating a choice would have been the happy path for us, right?
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead, give the names, but we should always create the data design so that it
Okay.
is extensible, right?
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
And Indrajit, one question from my side.
Yeah.
Suppose let's say uh, for claim details, approver is one, and for approver again there is some more one more table for lookup. So how do we
Mhm.
handle those kind of scenarios? That is my question. I have been waiting from a long time.
Yeah. So those kind of scenarios in Canvas app, it is very easy. Why easy? Because in Power, with the help of PowerFX, you can do that. So you're nothing, you're trying to filter the three tables, right? Two tables basically on the basis of approvals. So what you can
Yes.
do, you can go ahead, filter first thing first table with the key, and then you can take the result key from there and filter it to the third table. So I know like you will not be relating to it. That is fine. So when we will discuss about filter and lookup, so then like
Yeah.
you will be able to relate.
Okay. Yeah, I've been using this, so that's it. But somehow
Yeah.
I'll manage and get the output, but I don't know the actual functionality.
No worries, no worries. We will get to know everything. This is just the foundation. We will be building a house in few days.
Okay.
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 We have laid down the foundation stone today. Okay. Anyone else? Hello. Hi, Ajay. Ajay, you are not audible. Guys, are you able to hear him?
We're not able to hear
No,
his voice.
no.
It's completely.
Okay.
It's very hard to listen.
That's fine. So meanwhile, he's setting up his mic. You guys can go ahead if anyone has any doubt.
Yeah, this is my first class. I missed the first two classes. So is it like linked? So first I have to watch those two, then I'll understand what is this choice and all. Because
No, choice we never discussed. We will be seeing it tomorrow. The first two
okay.
classes were very basic in nature. First thing first, like I want to request you to go ahead and change your display name from iPhone to actual name so that for me it is easy to, I would say, address
Oh,
you,
okay,
right?
okay. I can check. Yeah,
With your
yeah.
name. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
basically, in the first class, we discussed about what Power Platform is and where we will be helping you to become an expert in Power Platform. And in second class, it was introduction to Power Apps. So I would want you to at least go ahead and watch those two classes.
Okay, sure. Okay. I'll
Not a
watch.
prerequisite for upcoming classes, but it is
Mm.
good for you.
Okay, yeah. I'll watch.
Hi, Indrajit. Am I audible
Hi.
now?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. Yeah, good morning. Just I
Good morning.
wanted to understand, type of licensing that you discuss, premium one and per app, right? The premium one is known as also per user license, or that is per user is different?
Every license is per user only, Ajay. Like as I told you guys, like if you have 1,000 people, so you can take it for capacity also. So there, Microsoft sales people will give you some discount. So I was supposed to discuss this licensing later in the module, but let me show you here. This is your power app pricing. Okay. So guys, don't get confused. Okay. So basically, this is free developer plan. You have premium license. You have premium license with 2,000 minimum people. If you have 2,000 people in your organization, so then they can go ahead and they can slash the rate from 20 to $12. Okay. So per app license, now Microsoft has removed it from here. So if your organization have deal with them, so then it will be available. Otherwise, they will give you only premium license now. So in my previous organization, they had a deal with them. So Microsoft was providing them for $4 per app. Per app $4, $20 for premium. And for premium license, $12 if you have a people of 2,000 headcount minimum. And it is always a user per month.
So
Okay.
we will use the PowerApps premium in the classes, right?
You will be getting premium license, correct?
If someone is asking me what are the different types of licensing available with within Power App, then these are the three types of licensing.
This is not three. This is only one type, either free or premium.
Okay.
Okay.
These are the two, free and premium one.
Yeah, free and premium, correct. There is
Okay.
developer plan also, free developer plan. This is developer plan. So previously you were able to see three things here. One was developer plan, another one was per app license, another one was premium license. So now Microsoft recently went ahead and they removed per app for the new users. For the existing people who already have a SOW signed with Microsoft, they have the per app license. But for the new people, now they have only two licensing model: free license, that is developer, that is called as developer plan, and the premium license, which costs $20 per user per month and which is paid yearly. So that means for every year for a user, you will be getting a billing of 12 into 2, $40. Okay.
So in the here it says like enable licensed users to build. If you go to the Power Apps Premium for $20, so it says like unlimited Power Apps and Power Pages for assigned user. So one user only can use this Power Apps.
Yeah, that's what it is there, right? Per user.
Okay, per user means is it like suppose let's say I have an like I'm using Power Apps. I'm the developer and I did the development.
Yes. So Naveen,
So
license is
so
always associated with a user. So suppose if you have license, so what it means, you can go ahead and create as many apps, as many Power Pages you want. Now suppose you want to go ahead and share those premium apps with Ajay. So then Ajay also need to acquire the license. Otherwise, he will not be able to access.
Okay.
okay.
So what do
So
you mean
even
for
the
both the developer as well as the end users, the which
Correct. They should have license.
uh, okay.
Like, let me tell
suppose
you one
if
instance. Okay, yeah, go ahead, Naveen.
yeah, actually, like if you use suppose website is there, right? So if you have a website or any like
Mhm.
once the development is done, any if they have the access to the link, anybody can use it, right?
Yeah.
There
So
is no
Naveen,
limit.
just think in broader perspective. So in if
Hmm.
you have a website, normal website, so then you will be having other cost for that, right? So hosting it somewhere in the cloud. And for
Hmm.
firewall, there will be different cost. And for there are many stuff. Like I don't want to go into details of like low level design and high level design. That is of no, I would say it is out of scope for us. But like if we say like that, so but you will not have all those headaches here, right? Microsoft will take care for
Hmm.
you. They are not charging any for anything for data set, anything for hosting your app, anything for CDN. CDN is nothing but content delivery network, right? They're providing you the infrastructure, right? So that's why
Hmm.
they are charging the licensing model.
Okay. So suppose let's say if a billion like some apps are very famous and like some games, right? In the apps, if somebody is playing, so that will multiple users will be there, millions of users will be there. So if there is a case, then that many millions of users, anybody can use it.
Again,
And
Naveen, like
I'm
these
just
apps,
trying to
Power
understand,
Apps.
thinking
Yeah,
about that.
yeah. I'm trying to basically clear your doubt. So just
Hmm.
keep one thing in mind, everyone. These apps that you will be able to create, these are enterprise applications. Or I would say business applications that you will be using internally. Okay. So suppose someone comes to you, like I told you, like PepsiCo comes to us and they want to streamline the process in their organization, right? So we created an
Hmm.
app for them, right? So it will be always internal organization app. So million or billion of users,
Will not be
that
there.
is a challenge, right? That organization may not have billion of users, right?
Hmm.
So it
Right.
is to go
Maybe
ahead,
2000 max.
remove the redundant task, streamline
Hmm.
that, and save the dollar value. That is what happens, right? Like in all the services companies or in the product companies, what they do as a project, they try to streamline the existing redundant process, right?
Yes.
You will not go ahead and create next Amazon or next Flipkart using Power Apps, right? That is a challenge, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Cool. Anyone else?
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
we,
having a small doubt.
yeah.
So, like in Power BI, we have a separate community, right? And they'll be sending some monthly updates. So, like that for Power Apps, for each and every tool, do we have any monthly updates? Like people will be updating from directly from the Microsoft. So, do we have any separate pages or communities like that for Power Platform tools?
Community for Power Platform, you have Power Platform community.
Okay.
And inside
That applies for all the tools, Automate, Copilot.
Sorry. So basically, what happens? Microsoft releases update. Okay. So if I show you Wave 2, so recently Microsoft released this Wave 2 Power Platform, right? So here you will be able to see it is 6 days ago. So here you will be able to see what are the features which got released, added, or removed. Okay. So this is the release document, official from Microsoft.
Okay.
I'm not sure like if you some YouTuber or someone is making the videos, might be for Canvas app, you will find a lot of YouTubers on YouTube who are making videos and who are telling you
Yeah,
guys
that
this
was
is
my
the new
next
feature.
question.
This is the new feature, that is the new feature, right? But for model driven apps, for Power Pages, for Copilot Studio, for Power Automate, I
Yeah,
would say
because I
there
could
is
see on YouTube, like many people come for Power BI and they show the monthly releases, like what all the updates, but I
correct,
couldn't
correct.
see for Power Apps or any Power
No,
Platform tool.
no, there will,
Yeah,
you will not find any structured thing for model driven app at least in the YouTube. For Canvas app, there are few people called as Riza Durrani is there. There is one more guy called as, I'm not able to recall his name. He's Indian. So he's also there. So they will give you the stuff for Canvas app. Because in Canvas app, you have complete control over the UI, right? You can create some
yeah,
cool stuff and then attract viewers. So model driven app is more like functionality driven, right? So
yeah.
there, like, it will not be the coolest thing. So that's why. And to be honest, model driven app is very important. Okay. So
Okay.
because the people are very less in the market who have actually the actual exposure to everything which is there in the Power Platform. So that's why that is the gap.
Okay, so this is the main page, right? Where we can see all the tools at one shot, like what all the updates.
Correct.
Like here I could see like Optimum. Okay,
Correct.
okay.
Look,
So
Power
the
Pages,
site
Power
names
Apps.
are Wave to Power Platform.
Yeah. So basically, they release the updates in two releases after every 6 months. So this is the second release that they did.
Okay, okay. Wave to Power Platform. Okay, sir. Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I just have one quick question.
Yes. Go
Currently,
ahead.
I'm facing a challenge. The thing is, we don't use Microsoft 365. We just have Windows and Office. And I developed a dashboard and I have to share it to external users. So
For
when I
Power
use,
BI.
yeah.
Okay.
So, and I have to share it to external users who are from the other organization. And dashboard
Okay.
is built for them actually. So,
Mm-hmm.
for one of the clients. So in this
Mm-hmm.
case, I checked with Copilot and it says that there is one option called as Entra ID registration. We using that, we would be able to share that dashboard
With external
um,
users.
to the external users uh,
Yeah.
without any cost of
Okay.
on the external users. Only the cost involved is to maintain our premium workspace. Is that
Okay.
true?
Yeah, basically, Prasad, like I checked it long back, I think back then 2021 or somewhere. So there was a
Okay.
workaround, like you are mentioning Entra ID. In Azure, we used to do something and we used to add that guy. Suppose you want to access that thing with Indrajit at the rate gmail.com, right? So we used to add it as a member somewhere and then it should be done. So there was a workaround for that I'm not able to recall properly. But whatever you are saying, I'm able to relate to that. There is something which is available for that. So if you go to the YouTube, you will find a dedicated video for that. So just go
Okay.
ahead and try to explore that.
Sure, I would find some videos, but I'm concerned about the licensing part. Like for each and every user, he should be having a Power BI Pro license. So
Yeah.
to access.
Ideally, it should have pro license, but I'm not sure about the trade-offs for that approach,
Okay.
Prasad. So I don't
Okay.
want to give any false information for that, basically.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Because
Thank
in
you.
all the real-time projects that I have worked, people were having licenses and we have given them the pro licensing model.
Okay.
So I don't want to give false information and put you in trouble. So I want you to go ahead and explore only.
Okay. Okay. Nrit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Prasad, the question that you asked just to Indrajit, to external users, you mean to say to all of anyone can view your report or dashboard, or just you want to share the external to particular, I mean a specific external users?
To a
Specific
specific.
external use.
Specific, right?
Yes.
Or anyone?
Specific external, not to anyone.
Okay. No, otherwise, I think if you would like to, make it open, then there is one option. Power BI,
Yes, you can
publish
put
to
in
web.
the portal.
Yeah, publish to web. Yeah.
But that is not safe.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
That's what Copilot was also saying, that it is not safe because it's available to anyone.
Right.
Whoever.
That is a governance
So
again.
that
Data
will
governance will
be
apply there.
serious data breach can happen, right? So you should not do
Right.
those things.
Yeah, that is not allowed. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Anyone else? Anything? Guys, like you enjoyed today's data design and problem discussion, or it was boring? Like you got more sleep? Because I know most of you are up for the class only, right?
Yeah, it was good,
No,
interesting.
it was
Because
engaging, sir.
yeah, it was engaging.
Engaging. So now, basically, I just want to take it as a request, or take it as I would say a mandate. So I want all of you to go ahead and respond in the class whenever we are implementing something. Okay. So the more you will respond, so it will be engaging for me also. I will get to know, okay, people are getting it. I'm not explaining it to myself. Okay. So whenever we are doing something, whenever I'm asking you whether you are with me, so go ahead and respond. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Cool, guys. Anyone else? Anything? That's fine then. If you guys don't have anything, let's meet again on tomorrow class at 8 a.m. Then let's start with the implementation of data design. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Indra. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.